When opportunity knocks.
Got that good old new gas tank. I got a 12-gallon tank, so I got this little sputtering issue. I'll probably film that, but it's just, I guess I honestly don't know. So I just went on and bought a new tank. About to check this out, see what it's about, and change out some fuel lines. Then I got to clean the jets and the carburetor, and then hopefully I can have that done in a little while. Then after that, I'll show you what I'm gonna try to finish on the interior. All right. Forgive me for all that background noise. We had to get some rotating stuff, so I got this to go in the gas tank because I found out that my jets were clogged up. So now I gotta get rid of take the old carburetor out, rejet it, and make it my faster carburetor. I'm trying to record a video. What are you showing me TikToks with bugs in people's ears? I'm trying to film. Oh, that's dope. Dude. That's nice.
And I was looking
for
one of these.
Set too.
And I was looking for one of these for, like, it's got everything. So I don't have to, you know, like if I'm going to do a job, I just go take this now.
Oh, and that's a little screwdriver file joint. Man, they got everything.
Because I got tools, but I wanted to get another whole set.
Just to move around and do your thing.
This is like,
he just blessed you just out the blue. That's dope. That's y'all already know him. He always over there wanted to do it, always judge me in my video.
See, he toxic, y'all.
I ain't toxic.
See, he do the same thing and call it something else. That's toxic.
I don't give anybody no criticism. Look.
You got something to hold this hood up?
That's what I'm about to do right now. Find one of these screwdrivers. Let me see. Ooh. I don't know these.
Let me ask you this too. Are you gonna actually do something right now? Or no?
Yeah, I'm about to change the gas tank. I'm gonna change the gas tank. It's gonna be a little
backwards, y'all.
It's gonna be close enough. Close enough. I got Unc right here. I'm good.
You got some tools though.
I would have yesterday I said bought my first set. He was judging me too. What you getting tools for? I ain't got a tool to my name, and I've been talking about getting tools. You ever bought a carburetor bought a new carburetor to replace your new carburetor? I have. I was just asking YouTube, having anybody bought a new carburetor to replace their new carburetor.
Ken has, because he hard-headed.
No, I told you I need a new tank, and then you said it'd be cool if I hot bathed it. No, you told me it's better to hot bath it and all that, so I did the hot bath.
I did not say it's better to hot bath. Why are you trying to say that for YouTube, man? I didn't say that.
You was just saying that yesterday, and I told you I hot bathed that thing and did all that fancy stuff. They said
you've been running with a filter.
I had a filter on it. Somebody told me to filter something and whatever, and I said,
yeah, you always want to run.
That might work. I think that might work.
What's that?
I think that might work. And it come with another filter inside of the gas tank at the bottom of it, and I changed that, but it still look like it's letting trash in.
You got a bigger tank now. So.
I got a bigger tank now. I can put, that's about $30, $40. I don't know if that. I'm gonna throw that. I gotta probably stop at the gas station.
Get some more gas.
Get some more gas.
Oh, okay.
I just want to use a little bit just to get it started and see if I can make it down the block. Because the gas station ain't nothing but a block away. I think what you think that hold, a gallon?
What?
Yeah. Couple of quarts. Oh, okay. He already done.
Hey, done? I just took this out.
I mean, you done with that part. And I already got that cup. Already got a new filter.
It's real dirty inside.
And that's a new distributor. You might not believe it, but that's a new distributor. That's a new coil. We got paint over it, speckles, and the only thing I haven't done is the tins. I got to change out the tins and all that stuff because it's unattractive to me.
Unattractive.
Yeah, it's just because they open the hood, like especially with the old car, when the bugs and stuff, everybody look at the.
I'm gonna do this carburetor for you.
All right, do whatever you do. Just take it with you, figure it out.
We'll put the bigger jets in.
Do all the stuff you think you can do to make it faster. I don't know. At least I'll be like, I'm not gonna win the race. I already told you I ain't gonna win the race, but I ain't gonna lose that bad.
We're gonna make 10 miles faster.
I'll go 2 miles an hour faster than I was going before.
I wonder if we should leave this gasket and just put this one right on top.
It's up to you.
I'm gonna change it because I don't want you saying nothing to me.
I ain't gonna blame you. Shoot, I was just for what I experienced today and got the disappointment of what happened today.
You got a wire brush?
You know what? I don't got a wire brush, but I got some carb cleaner.
No, we need something.
And a rag.
Oh, that's steel wool.
It's steel wool?
Yeah, we got a lot of deposits on it.
Alright, let me see. Why the fuck did I lock this? I just do dumb shit. I don't know what I do dumb shit for. I just do it. Cause I'm an impulse ass person. I thrive off impulse. And when I do that, I always make dumb mistakes later. Oh, you gotta take that. And you know what else you gotta do? You gotta take that spacer off.
Oh, this?
Yeah, that's a spacer.
That's
a reducer. That's the only way the carburetor fits. I remember that from, I don't know, when did I learn that? Oh, what's his name? I don't even know what I was just talking about. I'm half asleep. It's a reducer because that's what I had to make the carburetor fit. That's how you make the carburetor fit.
Oh, that thing is in the way, so this gotta come off first.
So you gotta take this off.
Yeah.
So you gotta take that filter, that thing off, and hit reduces.
I want me to get this off.
Oh, you gotta get that off. Whole lot of work. Look at this. Whole lot of work. Look at this. See, look. I'm knocking that out. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I just put the tool back. I was doing what I was doing too. Look at this. Whole lot of work. Whole lot of work. I gotta let y'all see a whole lot of work. I'm gonna put suspenseful music right here so you see it. So
just run his mouth all the time. That's it.
Hey, but long as I try to do something, it's the thought that counts. Look at that. We try to do interior. I got the mat for the carpet. Oh shit. What the hell? Oh. Float the bowl, tilt it. Once we get here, spin it. Alright. I forgot how I did that before. Do it like one of the toilet things. Toilet float, yeah. So that gotta get changed out. Next. Hello.
Oh, you gotta change this out?
One of these days. I ain't doing it today. I'm gonna change that up as soon as possible. Because they closed at 6. I ran out of time. Wasn't even thinking about that. It was something else. What else we supposed to get, Corey, that I forgot? We supposed to grab something else, huh? I don't know. We said it on the way when we was driving. I can't remember. Said he wasn't gonna help me. Still came through clutch. Y'all go subscribe to his channel. Somebody go subscribe to his channel. Hey, I see 2 of my subscribers that cheated on me. I unsubscribed to me and went to him. Okay, it's cool. It's cool. All right. I see you. Slap City. Ain't you Slap City and Zips and Bricks. I see what y'all doing. My feelings ain't hurt. Y'all better be subscribed. No.
Bricks.
Zips and Bricks.
I heard that.
They always be commenting on my channel. And then I put them on there. Then I think they subscribe to everybody I best with.
I told somebody today to go subscribe to your channel.
Man, I hope they like it. They're gonna be like, he cussed too much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So what? This is huh?
Dennis. Oh. Oh yeah. Huh?
They don't be putting the strings tight when they put these carburetors back together.
Oh, for real? And so the work continues. Where the heck did I leave them parts? Okay, so I got. Okay, here the gas cap. There we go. Took a little while, sorry about the light, but it's nighttime. But got a lot done just to get myself ready going back to my commute. Vacation time is over, back to the grind. Boy Corey came through his clutch. Using all my gas. That's all right, I fucked up and got it dirty. I'm just playing, I'm just playing. It's for my YouTube. At the world famous Foreigner Limited, so I came to get some 135s for the front, but I guess with the way the pandemic is going and everything, the way the world is right now, they don't have them available. They don't even have 125s available, so you're limited on all the the parts and accessories you can get for these bugs. So and I got the cow look, so you guys got to run the thin slimmies. So put the carburetor on yesterday and put the gas tank, but for some reason I didn't know how to set the idle right. And the more that even when Corey turned it and I turned it, the worse it got. So that's what it's supposed to sound like. I couldn't even get it to hum like that. Sound like about yeah. Perfect, thank you. Hey, what owe you? Well, can I just give you my old 30 pick? It might need jets and you can sell it for a profit or something. Because I just took it off of there. I bought it 6 months ago and I had trash in the tank and it got dirt in it.
We'll put it in the file.
Yeah. At least the adapter worth like $10. I cannot give you nothing.